Welcome to Phone Doctors tutorial videos. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to repair the Samsung Galaxy S5 full teardown. On a scale from 1 to 10, this repair difficulty is rated a 9. The estimated time for this repair is 40 minutes. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Don't forget, with the original screw mat, you will never lose a screw again. Screw mat is available for most popular Android and Apple devices. For all your DIY kits, screw mats, and repair tool needs, visit us at PHONEDOCTORS.com. Use coupon code GALAXYS5 and receive 10% off your entire purchase. You can also find and visit us on all the popular social networks. Let's get started on the repair. Step 1. Ensure your device is powered down. Step 2. Remove the battery cover, battery, SIM card, and SD card. Step 3. Remove 3 screws with Phillips screwdriver from back housing. Step 4. Remove home button flex shield and unplug home button flex connector. Step 5. In order to get to any components in the housing, you must heat and remove the LCD digitizer off the mid-frame housing. Apply heat evenly. Try not to apply too much heat to one area, or the plastic housing or home button can melt. When removing LCD digitizer, take extreme caution when prying up a non-broken LCD digitizer, and take your time. Unplug LCD flex from mid-frame with plastic pick. Make sure you guide the home button flex out of the mid-frame housing. Step 6. Remove ear speaker shield, then carefully remove the flex contact pad with the plastic pry tool. Then, remove the physical home button from the housing. Make sure to free up the home button flex from the back of the LCD. Step 7. Remove any excess adhesive or broken glass from inside housing. Step 8. Remove the 10 screws from the mid-frame with Phillips screwdriver. Step 9. Remove the mid-frame from housing with metal pry tool. Step 10. Remove the screw from board with Phillips screwdriver. Unplug antenna connector and charging port flex cable and remove the circuit board. Step 11. Remove rear camera from board. Remove front camera from board. Step 12. Remove screw from charging port board with Phillips screwdriver. Then, make sure front digitizer sensor flexes are free from the mid-frame before pulling off the charging port. Caution: sensor flexes are very thin and delicate and can easily rip. Pry up the charging port from the mid-frame. Step 13. Remove the vibrator with metal pry tool. Be cautious of the flex when pulling it off the mid-frame. Reassembly. Step 14. Insert vibrator and make sure flex is aligned with mid-frame path. Step 15. Place charging port on mid-frame. Make sure sensor flexes are aligned correctly. Insert screw back on charging port board. Step 16. Plug in rear camera on board. Plug in front camera on board. Step 17. Plug in charging port connector back into circuit board. Plug antenna connector back. Insert screw on board. Step 18. Insert mid-frame into back housing. Insert 10 screws in mid-frame. Step 19. Apply 3M adhesive on the outer mid-frame. Cut to appropriate sizes. Peel and remove all 3M adhesive cover. Step 20. Insert home button on digitizer and align flex cable. Sit ear speaker shield on mid-frame ear speaker slot. Step 21. Insert LCD digitizer on mid-frame bottom first and feed home button flex through the mid-frame and plug in LCD connector to board. Make sure digitizer is flush with ear speaker shield. Apply light pressure on edges of digitizer to set the inside digitizer on adhesive. Plug home button connector to board and clip back the home button flex shield. Insert 3 screw on back housing. Step 22. Insert SIM card, SD card, battery, and back cover. Power on device and test all functions of the phone. This is the end of the repair video. We hope our video tutorial has helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorial and tech videos. Thanks again for watching.